the message that you have for the committee today? Was your Department of Justice straight with Americans about everything about Jeffrey Epstein?
Obviously, the deposition is still ongoing. We're in the third hour now. Attorney General Barr is answering every question, and I think that he's being very transparent, and that's our goal with this investigation, is to be transparent.
Barr said he's not in the files, or
well, Barr said he's never seen any information that showed that he was in the files, and that he would be shocked if there was anything pertaining to President Trump that was negative, that the Biden administration wouldn't have leaked out prior to the presidential election. You know, one of the things when you do an investigation, I believe Attorney General Barr said this, you have lots of contacts, and you know, you go over everyone that you've ever been in communication with or whatever. That doesn't implicate you as far as being guilty, but you know, as far as he was pretty confident that there was nothing in there pertaining to President Trump that would be anything negative. And he's made the statement that it was public knowledge that they had met before, and just like Epstein had met with Bill Clinton before, right? I believe. Well, as I said earlier, we are in constructive, productive conversations with the DOJ, and one thing that we picked up in here, there are a lot of documents. There have to be a lot of documents. So I'm under the impression that they're gathering all these documents, and that's what the subpoena called for. And I think the administration knows this is what Congress wants, Republicans and Democrats. And I think President Trump has said clearly he wants to release all the documents. So we're going to get the documents.
Thoughts so far?
And I will say that after doing this interview, it is clear that we absolutely need the files. Obviously, Attorney General Barr, left in 2020. I don't know that it will ever become fully clear as to why he left, but we know that he left. We know that the investigation seemingly involved SDNY. And right now, we need to speak with those that were involved in the investigation. That is clear as well. It is also clear that the attorney that was responsible, Acosta, for handing out the deal prior to Attorney Barr's reign as Attorney General, we probably need to talk to him.
And the way this administration has responded makes it feel like a cover-up. And so we really want to get to the bottom of what they have. They told us they had the files. They told us they had details. They had names, for instance, and they were promising that. And yet now they're not giving us those names, those details that were promised, right? And the second is that this president has an incentive to cover up because he was told that he was in the files. And so we just want to know what existed 5 years ago, what existed in February when we were told about that, and what exists now. That we're asking basic questions. We're doing our job on the Oversight Committee, and the administration isn't doing its job of being transparent with the American people.
You mentioned Alex Acosta.